Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We've gone over a number of the different film simulation recipes on this channel before. Thanks everybody for watching. I always appreciate it, but I thought it would be fun to actually go through and start to share some sample images, not from the film simulation recipes, but actually just using the standard film simulations that do come with your Fuji camera. Now in total, there are 12 different film simulations that come with new Fuji cameras. They let you simulate different effects of different kinds of film that Fuji has produced over the year. And these actually include color and also black and white film. These film simulations let you choose a palette according to your subject and what your creative intent is of these photos. Now we're gonna start off with one of my favorite built-in simulations, and this one is the VELVIA Vivid preset. I love this preset. VELVIA is a bright and bold, it's ideal for landscape and nature shots. Some of the photography I love to do is nature, and VELVIA is characterized by its vivid and really exaggerated interpretations of the natural world. So every color is enhanced, and you know, it's commonly used for landscapes, but think about using it in the magic hour when the colors are the best. This simulation really lends itself to like warm glows of orange sunsets or sunrises, and is especially stunning if you're taking pictures of some of the fall colors that are out. Now, almost every color is boldly enhanced, oranges and reds. They bring up to like almost like a bright neon color. And if you're looking at a picture of the sky becomes like a vibrant royal blue as opposed to kind of a sky blue. While ideal for landscapes and architecture, the VELVIA simulation, you want to avoid taking portraits with this with people because this simulation will make skin tones really kind of unflattering. So here are some images I took over the past year. I took these using the VELVIA Vivid film simulation. Make sure, let me know in the comments below what your favorite picture is. Just to leave a note, these pictures are JPEGs. These were taken right out of camera with very little post-processing. Really the only processing that I did on them in Lightroom was I have a habit of having my horizons always crooked, even with a horizontal line on. So I've kind of just tweaked the horizon line typically on some of the landscape pictures. And some of them have been cropped a little bit. Now, if there's a certain built-in film simulation from your Fuji camera that you'd like to learn more about and see some sample photos in an upcoming video, just let me know down below in the comments what one you'd like to see, and I will put it on the list to do, and we'll try and do the ones that people want to see first. If you haven't subscribed yet, as always, if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up button, and I would love to have you follow along to see my next videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the pictures, and we'll see you soon.